Never had a bitch like me in your life. You never had a bitch like me in your life.
High volume. High volume.
Never had a bitch like me in your life. You never had a bitch like me in your life.
Here we go again. Time to do a retwist. I honestly don't mind doing my own retwists. It's just that they don't last. Anyways, here I am sectioning out the pieces. Look at my little baby curls back there. It's so cute. I don't really care about parts as much. Like, it does not have to be a perfect part. It don't have to be a perfect straight line. Like, as long as it looks neat, that's all I care about. So since my hair is dry, I went ahead and sprayed it with Free the Roots lavender mist, which is amazing, by the way. And then I get this crochet needle or crochet tool, because it seems like I always have to crochet my perimeter. Like, my hair, whenever I do my own retwist, my hair does not last. So I've been using RASTTALOCS lock gel for like the past year, and I love it. It smells amazing. It doesn't leave buildup. Like, you can barely tell that it's there, and I just love it so much. And there's a few techniques as far as retwisting. I kind of do like just a regular like twist, and then some palm rolling also. I feel like do what is best for you and your hair, honestly. So on my second row, I literally had to crochet some of them because they were like thinning. That's another reason why I crochet also. And honestly, I'm not really sure why my hair is thinning at the back, because I don't even wear my hair up a lot. This time I decided to dry as I go in hopes that this will make them last longer. Here you can see why I crochet around my perimeter. Like, it's just so much hair, and also the front ones are thinning also. So I just try to like combine the new growth with like the old lock and try to make it more sturdy at the root. Y'all, so I had this one huge lock, so I just separated it to make it into 2 locks, and now I have a newborn lock. So I crocheted the hair together to hopefully keep it together, because knowing my hair, it will unravel in 2 seconds. Here I am doing the other side. This side had one huge one also, so I made it into another newborn. I got 2 babies, so we got 2 new journeys to go on. finally done. And look, they look so neat and clean, like a professional did them when it was just me. You feel me? So I did my final dry, and this is the style that I styled my locks with.
Why don't you stay? You play the floor, you can stay for a little while. You